जो बोले सो निहाल, सत श्री अकाल. See, कहते हैं here we are trying to bring all our students to understand what Punjab is, all Punjabiyat is. Because when we talk about any culture, we only talk about food. But here the food is only one segment. There are many other segments like costumes, language, performing arts, painting. So we are trying to make our students aware about the Punjabiyat so that whenever they are going to work in Punjab, they are well versed with the culture and very easily this. So theme Punjab is very vibrant. And why we have chosen Punjab? Because during this COVID period, the mood was very gloomy, glumpy, which wanted to change, and Punjab is like Bhangra and live band. So we thought, why not to bring some livelihood and rejuvenate their sleeping, dumb soul to energetic, enthusiastic soul themselves. So that is what it is all about. I hope you must have enjoyed our setup and you must be liking it. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to the annual day alumni meet and freshers of IHM Kolkata 2021. Let's show you around. Okay, so to the right we have the VIP cabanas for all of our VIP guests, which includes a lot of VIPs and GMs from different hotels all across the city. Then we have the place for the board members. This is the place where all our board members and IAS members will sit. Going forward, we have the stage in front. There is a stage that I think can be covered from here, and dance floor is part of it, where we are now playing the first episode of Soni Mahiwal, and this will keep on continuing throughout the show. And if we can come forward, the theme for today's event is Punjab. So we have the Oi Punjabi stall, which is basically a stall covering chaats and kebabs, mainly from Punjab itself, and also the beverage counter, which has typically big Punjabi beverages. To its right is the Pratibha Pradarshini. It is a stall that has all the art and craft items made by students of IHM Kolkata in the past year. You can absolutely play games there and also buy all art and craft items there, and all of the proceeds are going to charity. To its sides we have the various, again, food counters. So we have some food counters there, okay, and the dessert counter as well. So this was on one side of the show. To the other side, let's cross over to the other side now. So in the front we can see we have got a couple of shows going on, all carried out in a traditional Punjabi fashion. Starting on this side, again this is our Oi Punjabi counter. The Oi Punjabi counter, again traditional Punjabi food can be available here, and this is under different chefs. All the food is being prepared by chefs from IHM Kolkata and IHM Gurdaspur, and as we can see, get different foods here. And I think this continues till the end. So in total we have 15 counters, including the one that contains beverages and desserts. So as you can see, it's a very big menu. Thank you for joining us today in this beautiful event, and hope to see you soon.
So, good evening. Let us start for the food walk. Here we are at the counter number 5. The menu over here is the tandoori murg, kulcha, lacha, onion and chutneys. Over here our chefs are preparing the tandoori murg as we speak. Your name please, and can you please explain what you're making over here?
So I'm Dibyendu Roy, hi, and this is what we are making is tandoori chicken. So we know the basic tandoori chicken that we have. It's a classical dish from Punjab, so that is what we are in making, and we'll serve them soon to you. Thank you.
Over here we have the chole bhature section along with the pickled pyaz. So I'll just hand the mic over to the chef. Hi, just talk to them.
Hello.
What are we making over here?
We are serving chole bhature. This is our chole and this is the bhature with pickles and salads. My name is Alapan Banerjee. Thanks.
Over here we have the rajma chal, the pindi chole and rice. So I'll just forward the mic to the chef that's been making it. Your name and what are we making over here?
My name is Rahul Sharma and we are serving like rajma, mada pulao and pindi chole. Yes.
So right over here we have the gajrela, the kesar kheer, til bugga and suji da halwa. I'm gonna pass the mic to the manager. Your name?
My name is Mohammad Ayaz Firoz, and we have til bugga, kesar kheer, gajar ka halwa, and suji da halwa in our menu for the dessert.
So we have something new over here which I haven't seen in a while in Calcutta. I'll just pass the mic on to sir who will tell us what we are having over here. Your name?
This is Obishankar Gangopadhyay from IHM Kolkata. We have two desserts here. One is ice cream, Gwalior ice cream, and another one is kulfi.
So here we are at the chart counter. So our faculty, Mr. Sharup Shah, would be guiding you over whatever charts we have in here. So, sir.
Good evening and a very Punjabi welcome to all of you. So we have got the chart counter over here, which is basically a live counter. So the fruits are all getting processed over here for the chart. And then we have got 5 kinds of chart divided in 3 counters. So we have got the very traditional papri chaat. We have got a little improvised katori chaat. And along with that, we have got again matra with a traditional touch of Punjab. And the Punjabi style of aloo chaat, and in Punjabi style of aloo chaat we find the aloo fried instead of being boiled. So we have created a variation based on the Punjabi theme. And then Punjab is incomplete without the concept of lassi, the concept of chabil, chas and pudine ka pani. Well, I do acknowledge the fact that these are the drinks which are more for the summer season, but yes, we have been capable of producing enough heat, and that's why I can see my beverage counter flying off. So that's what I feel what our students have done is an amazing creation of the beverage and the chart, with the main course definitely inviting and waiting for our respected guests. Thank you so much.